Hi guys, another charity shop gold or garbage. 2 items today. A little, is that Ferrari? 599XX. Looks like a Ferrari logo. I'll get my glasses on so I can read what it says on the label. But as you can see, little radio controlled car, that says 27 megahertz. It's missing the tyres. That one cost me £1. It's got any batteries in it? Oh, it's got batteries in it. Oh, we'll have a look, see if that works in a minute. And then the other thing I bought was another tow truck. I like this one. Well, I like the other one that I bought. I'll put a link to that in the video description. I'm going to need glasses to read that, aren't I? I can just make it out. Simm Marketing, GM, so that's Germany. S-I-M-M, Simm Marketing, GM for Germany. Wallerbacher, I'll get pronunciation wrong, I shouldn't even try, should I? 91154 Roth, Germany. It's only a push-along. In fact, that seems to be stuck on the back there. But I think we might be looking at converting this one to radio control for a bit of fun. I think that says Lena, L-E-N-A on the front there. Doors missing from this side. Got a bit of detail in the cab there. Steering wheel's missing. Winds up. Multiple position. What does that do? Oh, I think there was supposed to be something on there, wasn't there? That's a bit more broken now, just broken my hand. That probably hooks on there, doesn't it? When it's not in use. Yeah, what I might do first though is convert it to rubber band power. Because I did that My Little Pony car the other day, converted it to radio control, electric power and radio control, and somebody asked me if I could make it rubber band powered. So before I do anything much to this one, I'll see if I can make this one rubber band powered. Just connect a rubber band to it and wrap it around the back axle. In fact, that might do it. Don't want to get it caught on the front axle. On the other hand, how about if we wrap it round the front axle? Tie it on there. Which way do you want to go? That way. Need a bit more power. Wind up a bit more. There we go. Rubber band powered. Yeah. I'll put that on the floor.
Well, that worked. Rubber band powered pickup truck. I actually attached the rubber band right at the back there. 2 rubber bands. Wrapped it round the front axle so it was front wheel drive. I reckon that looks really cool. I like that one.